going to answer one of the most frequently asked questions. Is Powertex suitable for beginners? Yes, it is. Absolutely. One of the key benefits of Powertex is that it is non-toxic, which means it's suitable for adults and children alike. Add that to the fact that it is a water-based product, which means wash up is easy. It's simply warm soapy water. Powertex is an incredibly versatile medium. You can use it to create sculptures, mixed media artwork. You can use it with a variety of different materials like cloth and leather and paper and even natural objects. So creativity is unlimited. You're only limited by your own imagination. So whether you're a beginner or you're an experienced artist looking to add that extra layer to your artwork, Powertex is an incredible medium for you to start using. And it's suitable for artists of all ages.